Everybody, this is Mike with Apple Tech, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to invest into your favorite cryptocurrency. All right, so you got the big wave that's going on, and I think it's called like the SHIBA coin, and I'm going to show you exactly on these platforms that you can be able to download it on. All right, we're not going to say download it. What are you talking about, Mike? Not download, purchase, invest. All right, and so I'm going to show you exactly very quickly on how to be able to invest inside this. All right, so the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do, let's go ahead and go to the Play Store. If you don't have this already, let's go ahead and jump into it. Type in Webull. So it's going to be Webull. All right, click on the search bar, and then from there, go ahead and click on, I advise you to always go ahead and click on update whenever it's updating. The reason why, and I'm glad that's the reason why I'm glad this is happening right now, is because updating allows you to be able to have security on your wallet and things of that sort. On top of that is new updates or fixtures that actually updated. So it's very crucial. Anytime your apps need an update, go ahead and update it. It's for a reason. Don't ignore it. If you don't have enough of storage space, then go to Amazon, get a micro SD card, very cheap. I can put that in the link as well. And from there, click on there, purchase it, and you have way enough of space so that way you can be able to keep your apps updated. All right, and from there, I'm gonna go ahead and go back. And once we go ahead and go into Webull, all right, I'm gonna show you exactly how to invest in it. So you see where it says watch list, markets. Let's go ahead and click on markets. From there, click on the search category at the very top, and from there the ticket symbol is going to be SHIB. This is like a little abbreviation of it. All right, so the whole full spell out is going to be SHIBA space INU, which is going to be this first one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my watch list, and then from there I'm going to click on it. All right, now voila. Now I'll give you just a tip in the notes. All right, so this is exactly what I do. I don't actually give this advice to go tell you go do stuff. All right, I give you advice to let you know what the wave is transitioning to, what the world is transitioning to, so that way you don't get lost into what it's going to, and you can get a piece of this pie while it's transitioning. All right, now let's go ahead and give a benefit of doubt. Everybody who invested into Apple or Microsoft when they very first started, all right, come on now, they're millionaires now, trillionaires now. All right, so this is the new wave of this is currency now. Now you know this is going to be big. This is money. Paper money is transitioning more into digital currency. It's very strong and powerful. So if you're going to be taking a part of that, you need to know how to actually simply invest it. All right, so enough of that. Let's go ahead and click on trade in this blue left hand bottom. All right, go ahead and put your credentials in. Okay, perfect, great. Now, great part about I like about Webull, it has different type of options, as well as you can pretty much stop plays and things that sort, which I will have this information in another video. But just say regular, I just want to buy it. All right, perfect. How much you want to purchase? You just click on how much you want to purchase. All right, whatever the case may be. And I'm just just making up, just guessing. I want this amount, and then from there, just simply click on buy. All right. Now, of course, when you signed up for this, you went ahead and linked up your debit card, so that way, or your bank account, so that way it can pull your funds out of the bank account. I can tell you, pulling it from your bank account will take about, I say, 3 to 5 business days. And if it's from your debit card, I have seen it happen. I say almost automatically, instantly, but I've pretty much most of the time it's been around about 2 to 4 hours. All right, so just keep that in mind as well. So then now you went ahead and invested inside the SHIBA coin. All right, and now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it on another platform. All right, so the next platform is going to be crypto. All right, so just go back to your Play Store or your Google Play Store and type in CRYPTO, which is crypto. All right, this is the one you're going to want to go ahead and download. Once it's download, go ahead and click on open. All right, now that you're inside the crypto website, all right, or the app, now you want to go ahead and click on trade. All right, so from there, I want to go ahead and click on buy, because we're not selling right now. From there, you want to go ahead and put in the ticker symbol. all right, which is going to be SHIB. All right, from there, you're going to see that right there. Go ahead and click on it. And then from there, it's going to automatically put 7 million SHIBA coins in there, but that's not, no, you don't have to go with that. You can go ahead and delete that and just play with exactly how many you want. So if you want to have, say, $50 of it, let's go with, what's 3,000, 300,000. Okay, and just play with it just to see exactly how much would it take. Okay, so 758,000 SHIBA coins. That's going to be only $43.34. Now, I do know that they have been waiving some type of transitioning from your bank account or your debit card to your wallet, so that way you can invest. So just take up on all those opportunities right now. If you want to go ahead and make sure that you get this link, go ahead and click it down below. And so if you're liking this pound for pound information that I'm telling you, don't forget to go ahead and press the like button, subscribe to this information, which is this channel, all right? And don't forget to press that bell so that way you don't forget the beat of when I'm dropping these gems. And guess what? You get to go ahead and roll off with the win with them, all right? So if you like this information, go ahead and click on these other different videos so that way you can make different type of other different money and different type of businesses on side hustles. Wouldn't you like that? Right. Go ahead and click on the videos right now. Yeah, not now, but right now. All right.